at Gem World. My cousin's favourite place in the world, probably. And we're collecting gems. Yeah. Them two have gone fishing like this. Their cup's already full. But I'm smart and I've gone fishing because there are tons and tons in here, so I'm going fishing.
I'm going fishing.
I haven't even got one in my cup yet.
Oh,
look at Ozzy. This is full.
So pretty, aren't they?
Yeah, they're so pretty.
Look at that one.
Look at this one. Max, look at this one. Brown, black, brown, black.
I got two in my cup.
Like, there's some beautiful coloured ones, isn't there?
Yeah.
And there's all them to look through and have a look at. What else is at this place, Max?
Oh, there's a gem shop. It's filled to the brim with diamonds and all sorts that are like £2.
Really?
You're like, yeah, there's diamonds for 41 rand.
Oh, I should have come here for Mummy's engagement ring.
Follow me. Look how shiny it is.
This is literally pebble heaven, gem heaven.
Super cold.
I found the sheet. So what we've done is we've got a big crystal piece. There are big rose quartz over there. Like some of them are like this big, but we found the smallest one I can get. Washed it off and just inserting the ones that I want to keep next to it.
So basically we've put a big rock at the bottom and then we're going to hide it with these pebbles that you're supposed to put in. And hopefully we get away with it because Max really wants the big rose quartz. We're just checking no one's watching us. I know. Right, so we're going to put these on top.
We're going to cover it. So we're putting the small ones down.
So we're at a place called Gem World. This is literally Hannah's favourite shop. I'm not even sure that I'll be able to get her out of here. I'm going to need a crowbar. And she might spend a fortune. Special rocks and gems are definitely her thing. So cool. All sorts of stuff. And look at these. How cool would it be to have one of those just in your entrance to your house? How much is it? Oh, it's 164 kilograms. And I think the price is 68,880. So what would that be? I can't even remember. Yeah, about £3,000. I think I can see someone else who likes shiny things. Kind of fits, does it?
It doesn't fall off, it's incredible. Oh, you mate, you catch my heart if it falls. Right, thank you. Are they friends with you?
So today we're at a place called Blauklippen, which is a winery on the garden route, and it is like one of the greatest places for the kids I have ever been. It helps that the weather is absolutely majestic today. There they're throwing a little bounce back. You'll find out why that is in a second. But yeah, there's restaurant, wine tasting, cafe, kids play equipment, bike park. There's the tasting room just over my shoulder. I'm currently tasting a Castle Light. So yeah, this is the best bit, the bike park. So there's a full-on, well, they call it a pump track, which the boys are on. So the older two. Oz is on a scooter currently, or was when I left. And Max is on a little hired, specialised. And there's a specialised dealership, literally, just there, which is unreal. I got a look in and some serious bike porn in there. But yeah, this is the pump track, which is cool. And then there's like a jungle gym and zip lines and all sorts over this side. Spectacular. Literally, we've not seen the boys for a good couple of hours. Today's not working out so well. We found an awesome bit of road and like beautiful bit of road. So we thought, oh, we'll send the drone up. I've got a new toy. We'll send the drone up. And I thought, oh, make it follow the car. Anyway, didn't work out so well, and lost it. So currently searching absolute snake country, which give me the heebie-jeebies best of times. And I've got one of these drone locator things, and that doesn't seem to be working either, so not ideal. Anyway, let you know if I have any luck. Yeah, so this is the bit of road in question, and you can imagine why I wanted to send the drone. And it's up in there somewhere. Absolute Snakesville. So, yeah. Third flight for the drone, and gone.
Max, we gotta go get the canoe.
This is the bug that seems to be very interested in Hannah's sun cream, and she's just put a load on and it keeps attacking her. I'm not sure whether it's a bumblebee or a beetle, but it's a big one, and it's definitely attracted to Hannah's sun cream.
And then it farted.
Then it farted?
Yes.
The dog farted?
Yes, I just heard it.
Was it you that farted?
No. Can I move?
Hi kids.
Hello.
Week two.
Two.
Week two. Another fantastic week that we've had in Africa, and we're going to go through each of your best bits, bits you didn't like so much, and facts. So we'll start with Maxie.
2 plus 2 is 4 facts.
That's quick maths.
2 plus 2 is 4 quickness.
Right.
My high point was riding at the bike park.
The bike park, that was cool, wasn't it?
Yep. And my low point was also at the bike park.
Does anybody?
Ooh, nasty.
Does anybody?
Oh yeah,
Just
that's some injuries right there, isn't it?
What happened?
emotional damage.
I also got a whiplash the next day because what happened is I was being stupid. Do you know them like cereal bowls that you can like play in?
Yeah.
Yeah. I tried to there were like areas where you could get in, but I tried to go into the cereal bowl from the top
Yeah.
onto the hard concrete and the sharp rocks.
Oh no.
So that I fell on that, and then how I got the whiplash is I was riding really fast. I tried to go up a ramp, but on that bike, if your pedals went backwards, the bike stopped. So I go really fast so I could get up the hill. When I was right at the top of the hill, like it was like that.
Oh, you stopped pedaling.
I was like there. I accidentally went back and I stopped pedaling, and I fell down the like 2 meter drop and banged the back of my head.
Oh dear.
Does anybody want to see an ice cream? Ice cream.
Ice cream.
And an ice cream children.
Right, Oz, your best bits?
My best bit was Kelly's pig and Kirby.
Oh, and the German Shepherds.
Oh, the dogs. You met a lot. You met a lot of dogs, didn't you, this week? Yeah, and you've got very much love for dogs, haven't you? Yeah.
I like dogs too, but not as much as him.
And what was your low point? I guess leaving them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Leaving pig.
My random fact is.
Wait, I forgot to do my random fact.
Wait.
Right, Oz, what about your random fact?
My random fact is making friends.
Making friends again. Yeah, you like making friends.
I like it.
Etta, would you like to tell us about your best bits and worst bits? Come on then. What was the bit that you enjoyed the most out of the last week?
When I got a bounce bike, a pink one, and then ride it around a little track.
Oh yeah, that was cool,
And
wasn't
the
it?
zip line.
Oh, the zip line was cool, yeah.
I was too good for it.
Yeah.
I'm letting you to take off the list.
What about the bits that you didn't enjoy so much, Etta?
Well, I got another high one.
Okay.
When I jumped into the pool.
Oh, jumped into the pool
yeah,
again.
with the armband and the noodle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And So where are we this week? This week we're in Kenton, aren't we?
Yeah, and we're at Daddy's friend's house.
Yeah.
Thank you for letting us have the house.
Benji's house.
Benji's house, yeah.
We had trouble finding the washing machine.
But we will go through all that in next week's episode, won't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like a TV show to be continued.
Yeah.
The next episode.
And so all that's left to do is say see you next week, guys.
No, I didn't do my random fact.
All right, let's have your random fact then, Max.
My random fact is that I now know time zones.
I didn't do my little point.
Your time zones.
Yeah, I know my time zones.
Okay, how many time zones are there?
24.
Cool. And which time zone are we in now?
I didn't do my little point.
South African time zone.
Right. Right, guys. Well, another great episode, and that's week 2 done. So
We'll see you in the next episode.
To be continued in the next episode.
In the
Week
music.
three.
Bye.
Yeah.
In the music theaters.